Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, heated steering wheel, twin-turbo V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.